What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, about a half hour north of Atlanta. We're an authorized Denago golf cart dealer. If you're installing the underglow lighting, here's something to route your wiring. There's your connector right there, that white connector. You'll come out of that with the pigtail, and where it splits off into two, because you have lighting for the lower left side and lighting for the lower right side, but they're all on the same circuit. There's a hole right down there. See where my black wire is going through there? That is the easiest way to get it down through there. Where the other models, you'll go down through that bottom hole next to the battery. But for this one, you can come around the back. So you're bypassing the brake release knob right there and just feed it right down through that large hole. It will come out right there. See where it's coming out right through there? Then you can run it. I like to attach mine on this railing, this U-shaped railing. Make sure you clean it off first with contact cleaner or brake cleaner and a clean cloth before you use, because it has 3M VHB adhesive, but I would definitely recommend cleaning off the surface before trying to adhesive the light strip, and then also use a little bit of zip ties around, maybe every 8 to 10 inches or so, and don't clamp them too tightly with zip ties because they're kind of fragile. These are fragile, they can be broken easily, the circuits can be broken easily, so just be careful doing that. But yeah, you'll just go around that and down to the front of the cart, and that's pretty much all there is to it. And you'll turn it on with the LED settings on the main screen. I've got tons of other videos about installing these lights on the various Denago models, so look for the playlist link to pop up at the end of this video. And I got other videos that may help you as well regarding golf carts, motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, hot rods, classic cars, trucks, appliances, all kinds of stuff. Like, subscribe, follow. Y'all have a great day.